सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावदित्तमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Pranayama means controlling or enhancing the life force. This involves inhalation, exhalation, and retention. There are three types of retention: retention after inhalation, retention after exhalation, and only retention. Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom Vilom has lots of benefits. You can go through the presentation, and there are no major contraindication. Everybody can practice this. Adopt Nasika Mudra with your right hand. Close the left nostril with the little and ring fingers of Nasika Mudra. Inhale and exhale slowly through the right nostril, Surya Nadi only. Keep the left nostril closed all time during the practice. Practice 9 rounds. We need to ensure that our eyes are closed while we practice pranayama. Adopt Nasika Mudra with your right hand. Close the right nostril with the tip of the thumb. Inhale and exhale slowly through the left nostril. Keep the right nostril closed all time during the practice. You can practice 9 rounds. Adopt Nasika Mudra. Close the right nostril with the right thumb and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring and little finger of Nasika Mudra. Release the right nostril. Now exhale slowly and completely through the right nostril. Now inhale through right nostril and exhale through left nostril. This is 1 round. You can repeat 9 rounds. You can practice alternative nostril breathing a few weeks without holding the breath. Later on you can hold the breath slowly and gradually increase the duration. You can start with 1:2:2 and you can gradually increase it to 1:4:2. That is, if we inhale 2 seconds, we can hold 8 seconds and we can exhale 4 seconds. A few months of practice, you can inhale 4 seconds, retain 16 seconds and exhale 8 seconds. Bhastrika or bellow breath have lots of benefits and there are some contraindication also. Please go through the presentation for that. Bhastrika involves rapid inhalation and exhalation. Initially you can start with 10 to 15 rounds of practice and gradually you can increase up to 40 to 50 rounds. Kapalabhati has only active exhalation, but Bhastrika has both active inhalation and exhalation. Make a fist and hold your arms, placing them near your shoulder. Inhale deeply and raise your hands straight up and open your fist. Exhale slightly forcefully. Bring your arms down next to your shoulder and close your fist. You can continue to practice for 20 breaths. Ujjayi pranayama or victorious breath have lots of benefit. Please go through the presentation. Sit in any comfortable pose. Close your eyes and beware of your breath in the nostril. Transfer awareness of breath to the throat. After some time, feel inhalation and exhalation through the throat. Gently contract the glottis so that the soft snoring sound is produced. You can practice 10 rounds. After a few months of practice, you can hold the breath and you can also adopt mudra, bandha in this posture. Thanks for watching.